Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am your teacher, Mrs. Anjum Raza. Today we are going to do lesson 50 of English. And first of all, we will read the book and do the workbook, page 44 and page 45. And then we will listen a poem, One Little Finger. After that, we will do the missing letters and we will do the reading from Radiant Way book, page 16. And in the end, we will do the days of the week. We will write the days of the week in order. Now, first of all, you tell me, how are you? How are you doing? Your work is good or not good? What your teacher says, you are doing good or not? Now the students of Miss Kashmala's class, send me your homework. I will check and give you so many stars. Okay. So today's lesson is 50. First of all, open your English book and workbook. Okay. Active English book and workbook. I would like to say welcome to you all. You are my friends. You are my dear students. You are very lovely. Okay, start reading now. Page 44 of Active English book. Color the pictures. Color the pictures. This is a village. Children, do you know what is a village? Village is smaller than a city. We live in a city. Where do you live right now? In Taif, and this is a city. But the village is smaller than the city. There are not beautiful houses. There are no so many roads and malls and markets. So the village is smaller than a city. In a city, you see the huge buildings, the malls, the roads, beautiful schools, universities, so many things. But in village, these things are not available. Okay. Now read it. This is a house. This is a house. This is the house of a village. Very simple. Okay. The house is red. The house is red. This is a roof. The top of the house, it is called roof. The roof is blue. Color the roof blue and the house red. Okay. This is a door. The door is yellow. Color the door yellow. This is a window. The pictures are on your left side. This is the window. The window is yellow. Color the window and the door yellow and the roof blue and the house red. Now next page, page 45. Same sentences here. Color the pictures. You must know the question, okay? Always read the question first, then you answer. Color the picture. They are saying you color this picture. This is the picture of a classroom, like your classroom. There is a blackboard, there is a door, there is a window. Same, it's here. This is a classroom. This is a classroom. The blackboard is black. The blackboard is black. If it is black in your book, then you don't color it black. If it is not black, then you color it black. The door is green. Color this door green. The window is green. The window is green. The wall is white. Don't color this wall. The wall is here, you see. This is the wall. Don't color it. It is already white. So leave it. The wall is white. The fan is blue. Be careful when you color because it's written blue. So you color the fan blue, not any other color. Okay. And the door green and the window yellow and the blackboard will be white. Okay. And this is the village. You color this village, color this tree green. Don't use any other color because trees are green. Now the workbook. Start from the workbook. This is page 42. I will revise the page 42 and 43. Then we will do page 44 and 45. Now see, same word is here, color these. Why it is these? Because there are so many pictures. So many pictures. Here on next page, there are so many pictures. So it is these. We can't say color this. Color these. Color these. What color is it? This is red. The apple is red. Sometimes the apple is green too, but mostly the apple is red. Red. The star is yellow. These are the colors name. Remember it, okay? And the umbrella is black. Okay, this is black. And this is blue. The flower is blue. And the bird is green. And here you see the long E sound. Green. E. Double E. Green. And the cat is white. Now next page 43, you have already done it. I have checked it. So just revise it. What is this? Blackboard. It's black. Obviously black. And this is an egg. It is yellow. And the fish is what color? Red. You color the fish red. Okay. And this is blue. The car is blue. Okay. Now see the next page 44. Turn the page 44. And what is written here? Look at page 42 and 43. That's why I started it again. Okay. From 42 and 43. So now you have seen the page 42 and 43. Now you do this page. What color is it? This is the question. So there is a question mark. Okay, what is this question mark? What color is it? The apple is red. The apple is red. The flower is blue. Okay, sometimes people say flower. You can say flower too, no problem. The flower is blue. The star is yellow. It means on page 42, 43, the star is yellow. The bird is green. The bird is green. The umbrella is black. The umbrella is black. The cat is white. The Blackboard is, now what you will write here? Tell me if you are listening and reading carefully, then you must know the blackboard is black. What you will write here? Black. The fish is red. The fish on page 43, the fish is red. Is, here you write is, and here red, red. The, write the same word, the egg is yellow. The egg is yellow. The egg is yellow. The car is what color? Blue. So what you will write here? B-L-U-E, blue. The car is blue. Very good. Well done. Now next page. Page 44 and then page 45. Here you see. Okay, it's page 44. Okay. Write on these dots. Do the overwriting. The, here you write T-H-E, da. Here also you write the. And here you write is and then green. And here some dots. So write on it. Okay. Now last topic is missing letters. You see the word. What is this word? You guess it. Sweet. Sweet. Wheat. Guess it. What comes here? Sweet. S. What comes here? S. Very good. You know. And what is this? Tar. Tar. Guess it. What comes here? What comes here? Star. Star. What is this word? Star. So we will write here S. Now, omen. So what comes here? Woman. W. The sound of W. Woman. And this is pearl. Pearl. What is this? Apple. So what you will write here? A. Now here S. Sweet. S. Star. Woman. W. Apple. A. Okay. Now see, I have written it already for you. This is S. Sweet. S. Star. Woman with W. And this is apple with A. Okay. Now next topic, we will do the next topic. This is the Radiant Way book. Take out your Radiant Way book and turn on page 16. Okay, here we see the sounds of letters. Okay, the sound of I, it's E, and the sound of M, M, the sound of G, G. So don't say P, you say P, P, pit, P, P, pit, P, P, pin, P, P, pin. Are you reading with me or not? If you are not reading, then you read, please. Okay? S, 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 see, sit, her, he, hit, his, her, he, his, because there is S, his, d, d, did, d, d, did. Okay, read again. P, p, pit, p, p, pin. Sit. He, his. Did. Now you read these words. See carefully and check the sounds. D. First sound is D. And then ig. I-G. Ig. D. Ig. Dig. Fig. Same sound, only the first sound is different. Here dig with D and fig with F. Fig. Tin. What is this word? Tin. Like the Pepsi tin. Tin. In. Now look at this word. This is D. Ip. Dip. It. Fit. Ip. Tip. Is. This is very easy. You have read many times. In, is, if, it. In, is, if, it. Okay. Now see these three words. D, im, dim. D, im, dim. And this, him, her, him. It's used for a boy, him. And this is hit, her, it, hit, dim, him, hit. Now the next 3-4 words you see, Sam, Sam. We will write this as capital. Why? Do you know why it is capital? All these letters are small. Why this is capital? This is capital because this is the name of a boy or a dog or anyone. Okay? The name we start with a capital letter. You also write your name with a capital letter. Okay? So this is Sam, the name. So it is with capital. In this book, it is the name of a dog. Or what is it? But this is the name. Sam. So we will write it with a capital letter. Man. Ma and then N. So simple. Man. We read the A sound a little bit long, not like I and E. Man. Dog. O also long, a little bit long than I and E. Dog. Dog. We don't say dog. We say dog. Got. G. This is G and the sound is G. Got. Read again. Sam. Man. Dog. Got. Sam. Man. Dog. Got. Read this page with your mother. Okay. Every day you must do reading because reading is very important. If you can read, you can write easily. Now we will do the days of the week. Days of the week. This you have already done with Miss Kashmala. So check the days. Friday. What is this? Friday. Wednesday. Tuesday. Sunday. Thursday. Saturday. Monday. Read again. Friday. Wednesday. Tuesday. Sunday. Thursday. Saturday. Monday. Here, one thing you must remember that we write the days with a capital letter. F will be capital, not small. That is wrong. And W will be capital, okay, not small. T will be capital. S, it will start with a capital letter. Like the names of us, we write our names with the capital letter. So same, the days of the week, we start from a capital letter. Remember it. Now we write the days of the week in order. What comes first? What comes next? Like our week start from Sunday. So first we will write Sunday. Sunday. Sun. You know this word? Sun. This is the sun. You see here it is sun. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay? What is the order? First of all, you write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And read these days many times in order. Sunday, Monday, then you will know the order. And you can write easily what comes first: Sunday, then Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, like this. Now it's time for homework. This is your homework. Write the missing letters. Write the missing letters. You must know the question. If your teacher asks you a question and write a question on the board, you must know what is the question, okay? Then you can answer easily. Write the missing letter. It means in your notebooks, like this, in your notebooks, you write the missing letter as I told you in this lecture, okay? The missing letter, 5 words I have given you: sweet, star, apple, woman, like this. You write 5 times here, yani 5 words here in this line and 5 words here. Draw a line in the center, okay, with a ruler. Don't try to draw the line by yourself, okay? Use the ruler or the scale. And here you write your name, homework, and date. Don't forget it. Always write your homework, your name, your date. Every day in every homework you must write date, date. Okay, homework and your name. If it is not mentioned the name, then you must write homework and date. And use the scale to draw a line. Do your homework, send me on my WhatsApp, I will check it, and then I will give you so many stars. Well done, good job, very good work, like this. Okay, now I will say thank you. It is all up to now, and next time I will see you inshallah soon. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.